Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm so sorry about earlier. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Sis Norita. I'm so sorry about earlier. Tadi I had a bit of a disruption. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Hi. I'm so sorry about earlier. Assalamualaikum, salam. Alright, so like I was saying, for the pants, I have got the $10 one and the $12 one. The material is super comfortable. Thank you for the like and share, my dear sisters. Thank you so much. Okay. So I have got this $10 one and the $12 ones as well for the pants. Alright. Thank you for the like and share. Please continue to join me, my beautiful sisters. Help me like and share. We have to go through the whole process again. Okay. I am so sorry for earlier because of the disruption. So sorry. What to do? Technology is not 100% what they call that, effective. 100%. Alright, my beautiful sisters, help me like and share again. Help me like and share. Black $12. Okay, Sis Yuli. Can, no problem. $12, black one, no problem. Alright, any more takers? Any more takers for the pants? Any more takers for the pants? Only going for $10 or $12. Okay, that's two different types. Okay, hi Sis Nur Hussain. Hi, my beautiful sisters. Please like and share,
Just now
okay?
you asked just now who asking for XL grey, white, black and grey.
Okay, one of my sisters was asking for the white, black and grey. We could not get the name. Can you please repeat your name again? For the last one, XL, white, black and grey. Salam, hi, salam. Okay, help me like and share. Thank you. Help me like and share. Okay? So like I was saying, I have got two different type of pants, alright? So you can just comment $10 or $12, okay? My size is XL kan. Sis Yuli, you can get the M or the XL. Okay? You can get the M or the XL because you wear L, right? So it's up to your preference, because for the M, the pants can stretch up to 50. For the XL, the pants can stretch up to 55. Okay?
Better than Yuli to take XL.
Okay, Sis Yuli. Alright, thank you for the like and share, my beautiful sisters. Thank you once again. I know I'm sorry.
Noor said after a long time.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Sis Nur send hi. Okay, I'm so sorry pasal ada disruptions Alright, so my beautiful sisters. So what we have here all is our designs for today. Okay?
XL black.
XL black. Okay. Okay, yang tadi yang 12 Sis Yuli tadi the $12 also black. Yang $10 punya pun black kan, XL. Okay. Okay, any more takers? Any more takers? Any more?
Ada plus size have.
I cannot. Sal hot mama lover. Ada plus size. Assalamualaikum salam. Ada plus size Ada plus size, okay? Alright, help me like and share please. Help me like and share. Okay? Oh, pin down the number. Yeah, thanks. Thanks Sis Nur Ais, thanks. Hi Ras, how are you Ras? Hi Sizila. Alright, so I have got my dresses at the back. Okay, dresses kat belakang. I have got the blouses that I'm wearing. Okay, I have got the pants as well. Alright. And I've got my cardigan as well. My cardigan. Okay, my cardigan as well darker colour and lighter colour. Oh, yours is $12 one only. Okay, Sis Yuli wants the $12 one only. Thank you, Sis Zila. Thank you so much. Thank you for the like and share. Okay. 2 cardigans, very beautiful. Okay, Sal Hot Mama Lover. Yang blouse yang pakai ni ada saiz besar dengan design macam gini. I got saiz besar. Yang ada 2 poket kat depan. 2 poket kat depan ada saiz besar. Okay. Okay. So these are the 2 blouses that I ada saiz besar. So this cardigan also memang cantik this cardigan. I show it to you all. Okay. $16. $16 Size dia is free size. Size dia is free size Free size. Okay, let me just button this up. Okay. Alright. So it's $16. You can button it up or you don't want to button it. It's up to you. Okay. Just like that also. You can wear it with your jeans. You can wear it with your blouses. Okay. Like how I'm wearing it now. It's all up to you. Very nice cardigan dia memang cantik. Okay. Look like a cool mama. Okay. Okay. Only going for $16. Tadi my handphone problem.
Kita punya handphone pun problem.
Ya, kita punya handphone pun ada problem tadi. Our one also got problem just now. Okay, help me like and share my beautiful sisters. Help me like and share. Okay. Alright, any more takers? Any more takers? Okay. Okay. Any more takers? I wear for you the black, darker one darker cardigan. I show you all the darker cardigan. Orang dia. Lelaki tu. Okay, this is the cardigan This is the cardigan. Okay. Wait Okay. Okay, this is the darker one. This is the darker one. Okay, this is the darker one, the cardigan. I've got the lighter cardigan and the darker cardigan. Rihanna, the lycra pants, I got size M, XL, 3XL, 5XL and 6XL for the lycra pants. Rohaya, the blouse that I'm wearing, I got 3 colors I got 3 colors. I got this brown and black. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the cardigan first Okay, so this is the darker color. Okay. And this is the lighter one. Lighter one. Okay, for the blouse that I'm wearing okay, is black and brown. Okay. Okay, I have got the green color as well. Okay, green and brown. Okay, green and brown. And I also got the black and white. Marble design, marble print. Marble print, Okay, help me like and share my beautiful sisters, Admin, don't forget to write the name all, Yeah, okay. Okay, so this black and white one also. I got another color also as well. Okay, so these 3 colors I got for the marble blouse. Okay, sizes is M dengan L. M dia punya PTP up to 58. L dia punya PTP can go up to 62. Okay, thank you. Please like and share. Waalaikumsalam. I am wearing only $18 Yang blouse I pakai ni only going for $18 Only going for $18. The blouse that I'm wearing only going for $18. Okay. Okay, only going for $18. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful Only going for $18. The pocket is stitched. Alright, please help me like and share. Hi, thanks sis Aura. Aura Maria, thank you. Please help me like and share. Alright, my beautiful sisters. Okay. So like the pants that I'm wearing, right, is only going for $12. Yang pants that I'm pakai is only going for $12. Okay, you can see the difference. This is the $12 pants. And this is the Lycra $10 pants. The Lycra one is a plain material, Lycra material, super soft material. This one, it has that a bit of a, it has that weight to it. Okay, it's also Lycra. Can I have the measurement for the M and XL waist and length measurement? Okay, Rihanna, the M before stretch is 36 cm. The XL before stretch is 38 cm. And then the length is 102 for the, all of the length is 102 cm. The length of the pants is 102. Okay? The M is 36 cm and the XL is 38 cm without stretching. After you stretch, the M is about 50 cm. The XL is about 55 cm. Okay, so Rihanna? It's super comfortable, super comfortable. I think from my personal experience, I think you can get the XL. Okay, Maslina, thank you for the like and share, sis Maslina. Okay, help me like and share, my beautiful sisters. Help me like and share. Those who have like and share to groups and all that, you will actually have a sharer badge on the top of your name. Okay, then my admin will actually put your name into the lucky draw. Alright? I think your Facebook must be not be public. No, must not be private, right? Your Facebook cannot be private. Then if not, you won't have the sharer badge, right? If I'm not mistaken, Okay, help me like and share. Help me like and share. What's the next thing? Okay, sis. Any more takers on the pants or not? On the pants, $12. Okay, $12. I got Milo. Okay. I've got the grey one that I'm wearing. Okay. I have got the pink one. Alright, and the maroon one. Okay. And the black one. Okay, and the black one. Okay, and for this dress, it's going for $25 only, $25 only. Okay, it's only going for $25. I got 4 colors. I got the black one also. Amji, can you bring the black one and come? Thank you, Rihanna. Thank you. I don't have +1. Haven't shared this live yet. Okay. Thank you. Maslina, grey dengan black please. Yang seluar dia ke? The grey and black pants the pants. Okay, can. Alright, help me like and share. Help me like and share. Okay, so I have got this black color. Okay, black color, green color, pink color, and cream color. Please help me like and share. Yes, pants. Okay, Maslina, black dengan grey pants.
And black, please. $12.
Yeah, $12. Black and grey pants. Okay, so the blouses, the dress kat belakang black color, green color, pink dengan cream color only going for $25. Only going for $25 Okay, I got sizes from 38 up to 48. 38 up to 48 38 up to 48. Memang cantik design dia memang cantik. Okay, it's a very beautiful. If you want to get just one thing from the live, okay, you say I nak try, I nak beli dari Kai collection, I nak try diorang punya material, diorang punya quality dulu, just get this one dress. Okay, if you want to try something from us, you have not purchased from us before, okay, you are still was not sure about how our quality, our customer service is, just get this dress. Memang it's super beautiful. Material dia memang cantik. Okay, you just get this dress, you try it on. You will not regret it. You will not regret it. Memang. Okay, sis Jamila nak black pants 2 lagi $10 XL.
Abidin is confirmed.
Okay. Sis Maslina.
Lagi
Maslina dah
dua
confirm.
pants.
Okay, sis Jamila nak 2 XL lagi. Okay, sis Jamila pun confirm. Thank you sis Alisa. Thank you for the like and share. Salam sis Nas. Love, like and share. Saya baru balik kerja. Oh, okay. Hari ni pun kerja sis Lovely Purple.
Kesian.
Kan
Lovely
tengok.
Purple kesian.
Can I see all the colours for the $10 lycra for size XL? Can. The green dress Okay, I try for you the green dress, okay? Dress ni really cantik. Nasib baik I ambil green. Ya, memang it's very beautiful. Very beautiful this dress. If you want to buy one thing from me, if you are not sure about Faika collection or what is it all about, you just get this one dress. Okay, just get this one dress. You will really enjoy shopping with us and you will come again and again. Definitely. Okay, sis yang black dress bunga apa? This black dress here, you can see the bunga dia This small beautiful cute flowers here. Okay, it's really gorgeous. Material chiffon chiffon with a very good quality lining inside It's a chiffon material, very good quality lining. Okay, very good lining inside. Okay, thank you sis Jamila. Yours dah confirm the seluar. Okay, the green colour I tengok whether that one is my size or not. No, it's size 40. Do you have a bigger size? Can you just show me the green one? I just wear it on top.
Which one?
That one. The dress. Just take a size 46 ke, 40 apa, 44 ke.
Mustafa? Mustafa, give me 46 this one, green color. What size is this?
44.
Give me 44, okay, right?
Okay, sis Rihanna. Sis Rihanna, for the size XL.
I go all the colors. There? There the color.
Okay, sis Rihanna. For the pants, I got... Okay, maroon. This is the maroon color. Okay, this is the grey color. Okay, I have got the... Wait, I try on the dress first Okay, I try on the dress first Okay, so this one is the... Wait, let me just adjust this. Okay. Alright. Alright, so this is the green one Green one This is the green one that I'm wearing Very lovely, very sweet colour. Semua same flower, yes. All the same flower sayang. All the same flower. Okay, sis Rihanna. Just now I showed you the maroon and the grey. I've got black. Can you give me the black maroon? Okay. Sis Rihanna, just now the maroon, grey, white, Milo and black. Show me the black. And the black one, sis Rihanna. Semua the same flower Yes, kerja sambilan aja cari rezeki untuk anak-anak dan cucu-cucu saya. Normal 5 days working. Kerja tetap. Oh, okay. Sis Lovely Purple is so hardworking Working for the kids and cucu. May Allah give you more rezeki InsyaAllah May Allah make it easy for you and your family. InsyaAllah. Okay. Alright, so this is the one that I'm wearing One of my sister requested pakai yang green colour, so I'm wearing the green one I am wearing the green one. Okay. Okay, as you all know, my height is 175, so it's a bit sengkat for me Alright, so any more takers for the dress? Any more takers If you want to try one thing from us, just get this long dress. It's really very beautiful Memang best. Memang cantik. The material is very very soft. Very very soft material Ada. I ada size 38 sampai 48. Yang I pakai yang green ni, I ada size 38 sampai 48 Dia punya pink pun memang cantik. Dia punya pink dia pun memang cantik Pink dia also very sweet colour. Okay, the pink is also very sweet the colour. I pakai size 44. I usually wear size 44 I'm always a size 44. Okay? Because I've got another blouse inside, so it looks a bit tight. But I've got another blouse inside. So usually I just wear size 44 for myself. Okay, how much is the dress? It's going for $25 only. Okay, it's $25. Super good quality The chiffon is really very soft. The material is really very good Very good material Asal hot mama, you selalu pakai size apa? Dia punya your PTP the PTP for 48 is 63 cm. Anjak, can help me take out? Okay, any more takers for this dress? Any more takers for this dress? Okay, any more takers? Okay, 65. 65 can for this dress? No, 65 a bit difficult The PTP dia is up to 60.
Larger size is 48, like 63
cm. 63. Green PTP 55. Okay, got. Okay, got. Green PTP 55 ada Green PTP 55 I got. Okay. Any more takers? Any more takers? Any more takers? Any more? Memang the long dress is memang cantik If you want to try, you better get the long dress. If you want to try something from us, right, you get the long dress. It's very beautiful. Very very beautiful Memang cantik. Or you can get the pants as well. Okay, best seller pants. Okay. I have got a lot of things to show you all but today my energy level a bit low so I think I will do it on my next live for other thing like the baju tidur and all that right. I will do it on my next live because today like quite penat already and I still need to pray asar as well. Nas, boleh tunjuk design long dress yang lagi satu? Okay, sis Rohaida, I show you the other long dress design. Okay, any more takers? Any more takers? Any more takers?
Say you fasting today, we do the lucky draw, then if
Okay.
if we able to do it, we do after Isha, if no, then next week.
Okay, sis Rohaida, can I message you or not for the dress? Can I message you later for the dress? Because I'm a bit exhausted now. I dah penat. Actually, I got a lot of I nak tunjuk you baju tidur. I got another tunic also to show you all. I got another dress to show you all. But I'm actually quite tired already now. I hope you all understand. I really wish I could continue, but I hope you all understand. Okay? Armhole for size 48 dress dia berapa? Okay, wait, I check for you sis Supia. Okay, so if any more last orders, the KIVs and all that, you just let me know now, okay? Those who are watching and interested in getting something or waiting towards the end, this is all I have for today. Okay, I have got the dresses at the back of me. Okay, $25. I have got 4 colors. I have got the green one, I have got the pink one, I have got the cream one, and I have got the black one. Okay, this black one Siapa KIV, keep in view, siapa is interested to get, you can get it now These are the collection I have for today. Okay, so this is the dresses. I have size 38 up to 48. What is the armhole?
62 cm.
62 cm Sis Supia, 62 cm. Okay sis, I understand. Thank you sis Rohaida. Okay, inshallah on my next live I will show all the other collection Okay, this is the first design that I showed you all earlier. My second design is the cardigan. The cardigan cardigan. Okay, I have got the lighter cardigan and I have got the darker one. Okay, the cardigan, lighter cardigan and darker cardigan. So those who are interested in getting, you can just comment You can just comment here, or if you are too shy, you can WhatsApp me as well. You can WhatsApp me as well, alright? Okay, I show you the cardigan once more I'm so excited. I was so pumped up earlier, but now I like not much energy left already. I have 20% already. Battery go to 20% already. Later after Maghrib, I recharge.
Recharge until 100%.
Wait Okay. So this one is the cardigan This one is the darker color. Cardigan darker color, okay? Okay, go rest. Yeah, I will rest. I want to pray my asar also later. Okay, black Okay. Sis Alisa, the cardigan is going for $16 The cardigan is going for $16. Okay, $16. Okay, I show you the color. I really go through the designs, and then after that I will do my lucky draw, and then I will end my live. Okay. Any more takers? Anyone who is interested in any of the design, you just comment here. Okay. I'll just go through all the designs again. So like these dresses, 4 colors: cream, pink, green, and black. Size 38 up to 48. Okay. Tak jarang. Chiffon material, super comfortable, going at $25. Cardigan, darker color and lighter color. Darker color and lighter color, $16. Free size PTP up to 58 cm. 58 cm PTP dia up to 58 cm. Sis Alisa, the cardigan is $16. Free size. Okay, 2 colors, darker and lighter color. PTP can go up to 58 cm. Okay, 58 cm. Alright. And then I have got the wait. Okay, and then I have got the blouse. Okay, I've got the blouse. Okay, the one that I'm wearing marble printed blouse, A-cut blouse. Okay, this is one of our best sellers. Marble A-cut blouse black color dengan brown color, green color dengan brown color. Okay, black dengan white marble. Black dengan white marble. So 3 colors going at $18 only. I got size M and I got size L. Size M PTP dia is 58. Size L PTP dia is about 63. Amjad? No. 63. 62, 63. Okay? Okay, sis Alisa can. Okay, can. Thank you. Alright, so this blouse marble print marble print size M dengan size L. M PTP dia 58, L PTP dia is 63. Alright, I have got the black and white marble print, black and brown, the one that I'm wearing, and green and brown. A-cut, very beautiful, very beautiful Okay, I have got the pants. Okay, this one is grey color. This is $12 pants grey color. Maroon color. Black color. Sorry. Black color. There's a string in the front. Tak payah gosok. Okay, tak payah gosok. Dia punya PTP, this is free size Yang $12 tu free size. Can stretch up to 60 cm. Free size Ada string kat depan. Ada string kat depan. The quality is very good.
Blue color you never show, right? Blue color also.
Oh, got blue color also. Oh, I didn't know about blue color also this one. Okay, this one is Milo color. Pink color. Okay. Maroon. And I also have navy. I didn't know I got navy. I got navy color also. Navy going at $12. Free size, can stretch up to 60 cm. Okay, can stretch up to 60 cm And then I have got my $10 Lycra pants. Okay, $10 Lycra pants. Okay, $10 Lycra pants is at $10 only. I got sizes M, XL, 3XL, 5XL dengan 6XL. Okay, so these are the pants that I got I got black color, Milo color, maroon color, grey color dengan white color. Now this is the maroon. I got grey color, white color juga. Okay. Yeah, that's why I tak nampak. I tak nampak tadi ada color biru juga. Okay, black to blue. Okay, can. Okay, can sis Yuli. Can sis Yuli. Admin suruh ambil lagi satu. Black dengan biru.
Lain kali tak ada datang kau barang.
Black dengan biru. Okay. Baru I tengok color biru dia. I did not see the biru, the blue color. Yeah, I just realised got blue color. Can I see? Where's the blue color Yeah, I cannot find.
The blue pen.
Okay, the blue color. Sis Yuli, I mean cakap beli dua. Okay, blue color memang cantik dia punya color dia. Sis Rohaida, I don't think so after Maghrib we have any live. Okay, I don't think so we have it today after Maghrib. We don't have any live. Okay, if you're interested in the long dress, I boleh message you I will have a live next week inshallah. Okay, now we will do lucky draw, then we will have live next week. Next week have live. Okay.
Same barang I will show you.
Yeah, I will show you again.
The pants we will show you again.
I want to do
The black and white long dress.
Sis Zarina nak take the black and white long blouse. Oh, okay, the marble one, is it? The marble blouse. Okay, and my last got mega lucky draw. Got mega lucky draw.
Me?
No. Go back a bit. Can you give me that blouse? And I also got the other blouse
Give the block.
Boleh change tak? Boleh. Sis Jamila nak change apa? Give me that blouse please. Okay, and I got this one as well Sis Zila, the pants the white one jarang tak?
No.
The white pants tak jarang. Okay, tak jarang pasal I belum try lagi the white pants.
Zina, Zella, what size you want?
Sis Zarina, you nak size apa? I got M dengan L. M dengan L. M dengan L. The white pants, I don't think so is transparent Sis Zila.
I want to eat.
You just let me know you nak size M dengan L, M atau L Blue color $12, black color $10. Okay, Sis Jamila, you WhatsApp me You WhatsApp me 91019842. 91019842 You just help me to WhatsApp me and let me know of the colors, okay? Then I can go ahead with the orders. Okay, and this one was the one of the blouse tunic that I was showing you all today One of the tunic that I was showing you all today ada dua pocket kat depan Dua pocket kat depan. Ada mega lucky draw we are doing it. Did you write the name or not? I give you the paper. Okay, can. Okay, this is one of the blouses. Okay, so this is one of the blouses that I was... Okay, this is one of the blouses. I got size XL dengan double XL. Size XL, the PTP dia is about 58. 58. The PTP for double XL is about 60 plus. Can stretch up to 70 plus. Okay, I take M. Yes, 58. PTP 58. Okay. Okay, any takers for this blouse as well? I got orange color dengan green color. And for the double XL, I got mustard dengan cream, orange dengan green. Okay, any more takers?
That's not there. Is it behind you? Is it over there?
Okay, any more takers? Yeah. Okay, help me like and share. Okay, I will do the... Okay, so this one, any more takers? Okay, if you are shy or what, you don't want to comment or what, you can just WhatsApp me personally as well. And whoever who have commented, you can please WhatsApp me 91019842 for your orders. Please WhatsApp me 91019842. Okay, now we will do our like and share lucky draw. Price. The price for this is $18. This is going for $18. This one is going for $18. The blouse is going for $18. Zainab.
Zarina one just now M, right? M, she said M. White and black, right?
Yeah. Okay. It's going for $18. See Zainab nak the pants $12 dark blue.
Dark blue.
Yeah.
Same Zarina.
No, Zainab. Okay. Yeah. Confirm si Zainab. Dark blue, right? $12 pants dapat. Thank you for the like and share. Okay, sis Zainab dapat the pants $12 punya dapat Sis my beautiful sisters Okay, can sis Zila, I give you the XL black white color. Sis Zila wants the $10 white color. Okay. Okay, sis Zainab one also done already. Okay, we will go ahead and do our lucky draw for our like and share first, okay? Like and share first. Okay, our like and share lucky draw for today.
Lucky draw box.
That one different. This one different. Where is the lucky draw? Maybe that is the lucky draw.
Okay, I will do the... no, it's not pleated. Yeah, sis Yuli, you dapat the blue color. You got the blue color already Sis Alisa, the pants is not pleated. The pants is not pleated. No, sis Yuli, it's not pleated the pants. The design is such. It's a pleated design, but it's not pleated like that, like it's folded, no. Okay, can.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, my beautiful sisters, we will do our like and share lucky draw first, okay? We will do our like and share lucky draw first. Alright? And then after that, we will do our purchase lucky draw. Okay? Our like and share lucky draw is going to win 3 bottles of Chocoja, 3 bottles of Chocoja. For our like and share lucky draw, you are going to get 3 bottles of Chocoja, Let's see who is the winner. Let's see who is the winner of our like and share. Sis Rose Lily. Wait Okay, sis Rose Lily, are you here? Say my name, say my name. Sis Rose Lily, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes. Sis Rose Lily, I collected all the item at your shop, including my lucky. You collected? Oh, you will collect. Sis Rose Lily, are you here? You are our lucky draw winner. Sis Rose Lily, are you here?
Yes.
Yay! Alhamdulillah, Sis Rose Lily, congratulations, You are our lucky draw winner. Okay, congratulations. Okay, you win 3 bottles of Choco Jar. Okay, you can collect in any of our outlet in Joo Chiat, Geylang or Jurong. Okay, you can just WhatsApp me 91019842. Okay, for your lucky draw win.
Maida.
Okay, congratulations, Sis Lily Rose. And congratulations to Sis Mami Zarina also for the win. And congratulations to Sis Rose Lily, not Lily Rose. Rose Lily. Sorry. Okay. 3 bottles of Choco Jar, Alright. And then we will do our congratulations. Yes, she's here. Congratulations. And now we will do our purchases lucky draw. Purchases lucky draw. Purchases lucky draw. Okay, my beautiful sisters, I'm so sorry. I've got actually a lot of items to show y'all, but inshallah in my next live, I will show to all of y'all the different kind of design that I have. Okay, I'm so sorry. Inshallah next week lah, inshallah we will have another live. Okay, please whoever who wish to purchase from us, please comment. Okay, our customer service is very good, alhamdulillah. Our quality is really very good. Okay, so you won't regret it buying from us. Our quality is mashallah very good. Our customer service, alhamdulillah, we try our best to provide the best customer service to our customers. Alright, and I hope you all continue to support Faika Collection. Please like our page. Please turn on the notification. Inshallah, whenever we go live, you can just see once you have that notification, you can always get that ding in your phone that we are live. Alright, that ring that we are live. Okay, Sis Alisa, you will collect your cardigan at Jurong. Okay, can you just WhatsApp me? Sometimes I forget. Okay, my beautiful sisters, purchases above $50 is free delivery. Purchases below $50 is $6 delivery charge. Alright. Okay, yeah. My kids love the kurta, I believe, from you all. Thank you, Sis Yuli. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah, thank you so much. I have a lot of my sisters who have bought from us and they are really happy with our service. Alhamdulillah, we try our best to give you all the best of service. We try to give you all the best of products, the latest design we try to bring in. We try to bring in the latest design. Inshallah, we will have more designs coming up soon. Every week we are trying to outsource new designs and new colors and fabrics and all that stuff. We're trying to outsource it, trying to get the best material and all that for all my beautiful sisters. The only thing I like is for you all to support us, to continue to watch our live. Okay, and of course to purchase from us. Alright. Okay, so the collections is what they call that, you can look at my collections again. You can watch the live again. You can watch the live again. If you are interested in any of the design, any of the colors, any of the sizes, or you want to know more about the sizes and the color or the length of the dress, the length of the pants, you can just WhatsApp me 91019842. You can just WhatsApp me. Okay, if you are uncomfortable commenting here, my PTP is this, I don't know what size should I wear, or my length is this, I don't know what size should I get, you can just WhatsApp me. Okay, I can answer all your queries. Okay, I'm happy with my baju and your service. Thank you so much. Allah doakan orang yang baik-baik, insyaAllah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, my beautiful sisters. Those who have bought from us, thank you so much for your continuous support. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Okay, we are going to do our purchases lucky draw now. Okay, our purchases lucky draw we are going to do. Okay, so those who have purchased from us, Please stay tuned, okay? Please stay tuned. Yes, sis, I support you. I very happy. Long dress blouse, I like. Thank you so much, sis Jamila. Thank you so much, eh? Okay, I'm so sorry, this today's live, I have to end it a bit earlier than usual, and I won't be able to continue after Maghrib. Hopefully, inshallah, by next week, I will do another live. I'm so sorry about that. I tried my best. Okay? For the first, Amjad, can you help me with the prizes? Okay, my beautiful sisters, today I have 2 prizes. Today for the like and share, I have 2 prizes. I have got 2 prizes for my like and share. I don't have what they call, yeah, I have got 2 lucky draws for my like and share. Sorry, for my purchases. Purchases, I got 2 prizes. Usually we have 3. Today I have 2. Sonia, please call her back. She will keep calling. And the winner of purchases, yes. Okay, yeah. Inshallah, I have 2 prizes. I'm so sorry. Usually we have 3, but today I have only 2. Okay. Sis Rose Lily, please WhatsApp me. Sis Rose Lily, please WhatsApp me. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see who is our winner. Sis Vijay, are you here? Sis Vijay, are you here? You are our like and share. Like and share. You are our purchases lucky draw winner. Sis Vijay, are you here? Please, please WhatsApp. Please comment. I am here. Okay. Alright. Sis Vijay, are you here? Our purchases, our purchases. Sis Vijay, are you here? Sis Vijay, calling once. Sis Vijay, are you here? Sis Vijay, calling 12. Amjad, please call Sonia. Got 1 customer wholesale.
Again she calling.
Call your from my phone. Okay. Go out. Sis Vijay, calling twice. Sis Vijay, are you here? No? Then I have to take the next name, Calling thrice. Okay. I'll take the next name. Okay, for today, lucky draw winner, For our second prize.
Oh, Jesus.
Second prize. Okay, we have this kettle. For our second prize, we got this kettle. And for our first prize, we've got our electric multi-cooker, Electric multi-cooker for our first prize. Okay, for our second prize, we have our kettle jug. And for our first prize, we have electric multi-cooker. Okay, let's take the next one. We just sleep early, Yeah, I think so. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see who is our second prize lucky draw winner, Okay. No, never get yet. Second one. We have only 2, right? So the second one and the first one. Okay, so the second one.
By the help, mommy.
Okay. Anis Fatima. Anis Fatima, are you here? Harap, insyaAllah. Hanis Fatima, are you here? Sis Hanis Fatima, are you here? You are our second winner for our lucky draw. Hanis Fatima. Hanis Fatima, are you here? Lama tak stay and watch lama-lama.
Hanis Fatima.
Hanis Fatima, are you here?
Hanis Fatima calling once.
Hanis Fatima, are you here? Okay, Hanis Fatima calling once. Hanis Fatima, are you here? Hanis Fatima calling twice. All of my beautiful sisters, whoever who see I'm here, please this one is Stella one. I think Arya, is it? If I'm not mistaken, is Arya. Pergi jalan-jalan Sis Siti. This one is Stella Arya. A-R-I-A. The lip colour Arya. Okay, Anis Fatima calling thrice tak ada. We will go on to the next My beautiful sisters, whenever you purchase from us, we will write your name in the list. So towards the end of the week, every Sunday we will have our mega lucky draw. For today, we have 2 prizes Usually we have 3. Okay, let's see our next. Still our second winner Still our second winner. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sis Aisha Bibi, are you here? Sis Aisha Bibi, are you here? Sis Aisha Bibi, you are our lucky draw winner. Alamak, where everybody go? Sis Aisha Bibi, are you here?
Sis Aisha Bibi, are you here?
Sis Aisha Bibi, calling one. Sis Aisha Bibi, are you here? Sis Aisha Bibi. I belum pay for today, so my name tak ada masuk for today kan tak? No, but your name, those who buy today, right? Your name will be in our next what they call like and share what they call purchases punya lucky draw will be on the next Sunday one. We always do like that. If those who tak sempat buat payment for today, your name will be on the next Sunday one. Yeah, all the names will be inside.
Sis
Those who have,
Aisha Bibi, are you
she
here?
go masak for buka. Okay, Sis Aisha Bibi calling twice. No? Sis Aisha Bibi calling twice. Okay, tak ada Okay, I'll go on to the next one.
Today nobody.
Today macam tak ada orang aja. Okay, let's see Sis Zafira Sina. Sis Zafira Sinha. Sis Zafira Sina. Yeah. Sis Zafira Sina, are you here? Sis Zafira, are you here? Sis Zafira Sinha.
Sis Zafira.
I'm still at my second prize. I thought I do earlier, I will have the names here. All busy on Sunday, that's why. I thought I do earlier, always I do very lambat, then a lot of people don't have. But now I do earlier also tak ada.
Sis Zafira.
Kita tunggu next Sunday punya, insyaAllah, Sis Zuli. It's okay I will put your names in the next Sunday one. Ada yang tak ada nama disebut sis ada. Okay. Call my name sure have I think it's busy Zafira. Okay. Calling once. Calling twice. Calling thrice. Okay. Next. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see. Okay, let's see Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our next name Sis Haziza. Sis Haziza, are you here? Sis Haziza? Sis Haziza, are you here? Sis Haziza. Sunday lah, sis maybe not in. Sis Haziza, are you here? My beautiful sisters those who have purchased from us today and will be purchasing from us for our next live, please join us for our Sunday live we have our like and share purchases please join us. If you don't buy anything also it's okay. You might get a chance to win your what they call lucky draw for purchases So if you buy today and you buy on the next week, any of the dates that we do our lucky draw we do our live, please stay with us on Sunday even though if you don't buy anything on Sunday, please stay with us because like I said so many of the names I called out and they are not here it's so sayang. Calling wise, semua yang watch ni live tak ada nama yang panggil tu lah. Haziza, are you here? Tak ada Haziza. I'm still at the second one.
The first one never get.
Yeah,
The first one I haven't also.
not yet. Hi, salam. Okay, please siapa yang dah beli join us next Sunday tolong. Okay, let's go to the next step please. Yeah, I think everybody want to buka. I also want to nak buka. Okay, let's see. Nurliza Ahmad. Hopefully Sis Nurliza kat sini Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Sis Nurliza? Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Waalaikumsalam Sis Lady Hani. Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Sis Nurliza Ahmad. Next live, I'm not around nak watch a live. One whole day kat luar. Alamak. Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Yalah tu lah, cepat-cepat ni. Sis Nurliza Ahmad, are you here? Calling once, Sis Nurliza Ahmad. Calling twice, Sis Nurliza Ahmad. Calling thrice, Sis Nurliza Ahmad. Tak ada I have to go to the next one. Ya, Aiso nak buka ni. Aiso nak siap itulah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, please let this be the one of the winners. Sis Nilofer, are you here? Sis Nilofer, are you here? Sis Nilofer, Yusuf. I'm here. Juain belum. Juain. Nilofer, are you here?
Juin.
Okay. Nilofer calling once. Assalamualaikum. Nilofer calling twice. Nilofer calling thrice. Okay, sold. Tak ada. Next. We are still at the second lucky draw. Suruh Mustafa ambil mesti.
Mustafa.
Okay. Okay, Sis Dang Anum, are you here? Sis Dang Anum? Sis Dang Anum, are you here?
Rihanna taken money to take the lucky draw.
Sis Dang Anum, are you here? Sis Dang Anum? Okay, Sis, can you put Sis Rohaida name? Put Sis Rohaida. Sis Rohaida dah transfer dah.
Okay, wait
Okay, Sis Dang Anum, are you here? Sis Dang Anum? Give me the...
Win what? Win this?
Yeah. Sis Dang Anum, calling once.
Okay, Rohaida, put inside.
Sis Dang Anum,
Rohaida, put inside.
calling twice. Fold the paper.
Putting in I see.
Itulah Sis Dang Anum. Sis Dang Anum kat mana ni?
Rohaida going in.
Sis Rohaida one. Sis Dang Anum calling twice. Tak ada Sis Dang Anum. Tadi dia dah bid untuk baju tapi dia tak ada sekarang. Okay.
What is this?
Sis Supaya dah that one Dah transfer Can you please check? Did Sis Supaya transferred?
This
Huh?
is the best.
Sis Supaya transferred? Okay, Sis Supaya we are putting. Okay, Sis Dang Anum. Okay, you are here Sis Dang Anum, Alhamdulillah, congratulations. Congratulations Sis Dang Anum. I give you congratulations Sis Dang Anum. Okay, you are our lucky draw winner You won a kettle for yourself Sis Dang Anum. Congratulations. Sempat. Yes, that is Mustafa. Muhammad Mustafa. Say hello. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Okay, Sis Dang Anum, congratulations. You are our winner. Yes. Congratulations Congratulations.
I put in already.
Okay. Can I have the marker I write? Nanti I lupa. Sis Dang Anum. Okay. Congratulations Sis Dang Anum. Congratulations Sis Rose Lily. Congratulations Sis Mami Zarina. Let's go on to our first lucky draw winner First lucky draw winner Congratulations.
Don't look at this because I'm holding.
Okay. Okay, our first first prize winner. Okay, Mustafa
I wanna
will take out. Okay. Mustafa will pick. Okay.
The best one.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I'm too short. Oh.
Okay. See all the beautiful aunties say Waalaikumsalam. Okay. Okay, close your eyes. Okay.
Let me read. Lady Honey.
Huh?
Lady Honey.
Sis Lady Honey. Sis Lady Honey. Pick me, Mustafa. Sis Rihanna say pick me. I think one day I must bring him to go to your house. Sis Lady Honey, are you here?
Then I put something special inside the
Marha to Sis Dang Anung.
Sis Lady
Waalaikumsalam.
Honey, are you here?
Sis, I nak pick my name, boy. Sis Lady Honey, are you here?
Calling
I just
what?
saw Sis Lady Honey say Assalamualaikum to everyone, right?
Calling.
Sis Rihanna, jangan nangis, Sis Rihanna. InsyaAllah next Sunday, that's why Sis Lady Honey was here. Oh, Masya Allah. Yay.
Lady Honey is here.
Baru I dapat buka sekarang. Masya Allah. Alhamdulillah. Congratulations,
I want to pick
Congratulations. Okay, she's here. Congratulations, my beautiful Sis Lady Honey and Dang Anung and Sis Rose Lily and Sis Zarina. Congratulations. Unfortunately, today we only have two winners. Inshallah, our next Sunday's live, we will have 3 winners. Because this time we only did 1 live. Okay? No, 2 live. The Sunday and the, I think Wednesday one we did. Okay?
There's still some more names.
Okay, Sis Lady Honey, congratulations. You are our lucky draw winner. And Sis Danganum, congratulations. With that said, thank you so much, my beautiful sisters who are joining us, who are with us. Like we all in Faika Collection, every Sunday we have our purchases mega lucky draw. So if you have bought from us within that week, like this Sunday, anybody who bought from us this Sunday, your name will be on next Sunday. So please join us next Sunday, even if you are not going to get anything or what. Please join us for our lucky draw purchases because you might be the winner. Today ada banyak nama yang tak dapat. Okay, it's all about rezeki. And we also have our like and share lucky draw as usual. Okay, we try to. I have already ordered some more items for our lucky draws. Inshallah, it will be coming soon. Okay, so my beautiful sisters, thank you so much for being with me. I have to leave early now because I need to buka, so I need to do my asar prayers also. I'm so sorry if today my energy was not so much, or I am quite low on the energy. I'm so sorry. Okay, inshallah on my next live.
Friends is with us. If anybody want to order, can order.
Yeah, we have all the stock still available. I have got for the long dress, for the blouses, for the pants, $10 pants, $12 pants. I got all the stocks available. So if you want, you can just comment me. Those who have already bidded, please WhatsApp 91019842. With that said, I will wish to end my life. Okay. Those who want to berbuka, selamat berbuka. May Allah take this ibadat of fasting today. May Allah take all your doas. May Allah take all your kabul all your doas. May Allah kabul all your dreams and goals and aspirations. May Allah make it easy for you and your family. May Allah keep your family and yourself and your family safe. Okay, with that said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye. Selamat berbuka. It's okay, sis. No need to say sorry. Selamat berbuka, sis. Yeah, selamat berbuka to all my sisters who are fasting today. May this month of Muharram be a very good month for us. May we recharge this new year, Islamic New Year. May we recharge as an Islamic community. May we be a stronger community, a stronger Islamic community. May we surpass all these recessions, pandemic, and all these bad things that is happening around the world. May Allah make it easy for us. May we go through this hardship for the coming East. Okay, may we go through this hardship with the future, with a bright future, inshallah. Okay. Thank you so much, my beautiful sisters. With that said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.